Hello, welcome to Chadani Solution. So today we are going to create a template. So that if we have a default template to choose, we don't need to manually do it again every time. So for example, this is my main template, the black background with period separator, and then this one. So if I open a USD card, so this is currently the default, right? So I am going to create a new template like this so that every time I open a new pair, I can just load this template. So to do that, let's customize this first. So I would like to remove the grid and show period separator, and then bar down, beige, blue, green. So this is what I want, simple. So what I would like to do is to save this one. Save template. So I would like to name it as I already have saved that template, so I called it name. So I'll just replace that one. So save. Okay, so let's try to open a new pair. So you don't need to go to properties and then do it again. Just right click, then select the name. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.